So this video is a lot of like the non-action stuff from the Royal Blue trip, bunch of drone selfies and pretty scenery. The trees were changing, leaves were starting to fall, so it was gorgeous out there. So this is most of the clips that didn't fit into like the mudding video or the RMAX comparison video. So if you want the action, go watch those videos, but if you want to see some really pretty fall foliage up in the mountains of Tennessee, check this out. There's a lot of gorgeous stuff in this video, and we got super lucky and timed it really well as far as the colors. Could not ask for more. Some pretty good leaf action up here. Here's some more drone footage. It was a little cold out there, so you had to do what you could to stay warm. Tequila helps with that a lot. Yeah, here's that same lookout spot. This is an area near the Eternal Flame. I think it might be called Top of the World. It's basically you take the trail up from Eternal Flame.
Nice 6x6.
These trees are growing out of these old railroad ties. In place. Oh my gosh, the colors are insane. All right, what we got going on over here? Everyone's circling. The vultures are circling. Oh shit. This thing endured some serious abuse in Tennessee. I need to get it clean, but I don't think there was any damage to anything somehow. I just completely jammed it into holes where this whole side went under. This entire side scraped against a bunch of stuff, bouncing off of ruts that were super deep. I'm sure it's gonna be very scraped up. You can see how this hole is just completely full. Yeah, this tail light was just backed into stuff. I mean, it was, wow, that's like concrete. Really seriously abused it, and it looks like it held up great.